Hello everyone, this is CA Shubhi Agarwal and today I will be discussing section 80 EEB, that is reduction in respect of purchase of electric vehicle. Now the government provides reduction in respect of purchase of electric vehicles as it wants to promote electric vehicle and discourage the use of traditional vehicles. So let's start and see what deduction the government is offering. The Act says, in computing the total income of an assessee, being an individual, there shall be deducted in accordance with and subject to the provisions of this section, interest payable on loan taken by him from any financial institution for the purchase of electric vehicle. तो अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल है जिसने एक लोन लिया है फॉर परचेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल फ्रॉम द फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, उस केस में उसको उसका डिडक्शन मिल जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 80 EEB. सेकेंड पॉइंट से सेकेंड subsection says the reduction under subsection 1 shall not exceed 1,50,000 rupees and shall be allowed in computing the total income of the individual for assessment year beginning on 1st day of April 2020. So the reduction will not exceed 1,50,000 rupees and it shall be allowed in computing the total income of the individual for the assessment year beginning on 1st day of April 2020. Now the reduction under subsection 1 shall be subject to condition that the loan has been sanctioned by the financial institution. Loan has to be sanctioned by the financial institution during the period beginning on the 1st day of April 19 and ending on the 31st day of March 2023. So deduction shall be subject to the condition that the loan has been sanctioned by financial institution during the period beginning on the 1st day of April 19 and ending on 31st day of March 2023. Now अगला subsection कहता है, when a deduction under this section is allowed for any interest referred to in subsection 1, deduction shall not be allowed in respect of such interest under any other provision of this act for the same or any other assessment year. So अगर किसी और में मिला है डिडक्शन, तो जब हम ये डिडक्शन क्लेम करते हैं तो वी कैन नॉट क्लेम डिडक्शन अंडर एनी अदर section for electric in respect of electric vehicle. So this was all about section 80 EEB. If you like the video, please do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.